Okay, so you want to implement the drag and drop functionality for your Recyclerview in Android Studio that's connected to your Firebase. It's actually really simple. I kind of had trouble doing this, but eventually arrived at a solution consulting multiple sources. And so first of all, you have your ItemTouchHelper for your Recyclerview. First of all, you need to add your drag directions here. For example, if you want to drag and drop up and drag and drop down, if you want to have this ability, put those. Then you're going to need those two variables, drag from and drag to. When you drag an item, you need to know where the item is dragged from and where the item is actually dropped to. Now, you need two methods, onMove and clearView. On the onMove method, just copy paste this. And here you're gonna put your adapter. Wherever adapter for this Recyclerview you have, you gotta put this and then this method from position to position. This will kind of ensure that as you're moving the item, the Recyclerview will kind of get updated and actually move your item. And this method actually executes many times, so you can't really do anything here that you would do after the item is dropped. Here you will do something, because here is where the item is actually dropped. So that's where you want to update your position variable in whatever items you have in the Recyclerview. All the items in the Recyclerview are going to have a position variable to keep track in the Firebase, yeah. So copy paste this. You can ignore this because this is just for loading purposes, like the loading screen purpose. But here's your adapter, and then you need to implement this method in your adapter with these arguments, except this argument. This argument doesn't do anything. So just put drag from and drag to. Okay, let's go to my category adapter. And here it is, edit position. Just copy paste everything. Here you're gonna put your whatever class of item you have in your Recyclerview. For me, it's the item category. And again, this item needs to have a position variable so that Firebase kind of keep track of where things are, obviously. So just copy paste this. See, we're updating the position variable. And again, we're updating the position variable of the rest of the items. So this is updating the position of the item we were actually moving. And these two are updating the position of the items to the top or to the bottom. So here we are actually dragging up the item. And here we are actually dragging down the item. Ignore this because this is just an alternative way of doing this update. But I think it takes more writes. But if this doesn't work for you, just use this, I guess. But this is just a little more efficient, updating it rather than setting the whole object. So that's it. It's actually simple, you know.